Looks like we have a question about tax laws, estate tax laws.
Okay.
Someone wants to know how might someone propose changes to the estate tax laws impact the high net worth individuals and what proactive measures should be considered?
Well, there's a whole industry of
Yeah,
proactive
yeah.
measures. So that's what your
Yeah.
estate planners will do. But yes, as far as the law goes, it's part of the all the other tax law. So it's the same process. So right now they're talking about so in the Tax Cut and Jobs Act, they doubled the lifetime exclusion amount. The way the exclusion works is that during your lifetime, you can give away a certain amount in gifts, and then when you pass away, your estate is going to have a certain value, and the sum of those are subject to a lifetime exclusion. If you're under the lifetime exclusion, no tax is due on your estate. If you're above the lifetime exclusion amount, then the amount above is subject to tax. And in the Tax Cut and Jobs Act, they basically doubled the lifetime exclusion. But Tax Cut and Jobs Act is ending in 2026. Part of the negotiations going on right now is to make that doubling of the exclusion permanent. And so that's pretty likely to pass. And if you're a married couple, the one usually the husband dies first, leaves assets to the wife, and then the wife passes, leaves stuff to the kids. That's the typical
Oh,
order of
sad.
things, is what it is. With a married couple, you get two people, and so basically it's 20, I'm just gonna round numbers, 20, 25 million worth of exclusion. So if you're above that, or if you have assets above that, then you talk to the estate planners and they'll set you up with trusts, they'll set you up with donations to charitable entities. There's a bunch of strategies for divesting yourself before you pass away in order to reduce your estate to underneath the exclusion threshold. Now, it's worth noting that most states follow the federal, but some don't. So, like New Jersey has a much lower estate exclusion. I think it's 2 million in New Jersey, and a couple other states have similar kind of different numbers from the federal. Definitely consult with an estate planning attorney in your area, both in the area that you live and in the area that your assets are in, if there's a difference. Estate planning can get pretty complex depending on what you have going on. But and it also encompasses other things beyond just the financial impact. But who's gonna take care of you if you're an invalid? You can't make decisions for yourself, or you're in an accident and you're comatose. And who has the decision-making authority in all those things? And then when you do pass away, who's going to be the executor and who's going to do this and who's going to do that? The estate planners, they encompass all those different things into a plan and make it appropriate for your situation. But yes, as far as the law goes, it's just along with all other tax laws, same exact thing.
Understood. Looks like we have another question about agreeing on minimum tax rate.